Our production team passes through this corridor where they go through a process of decontamination before they enter into the main hall where the finished product is produced.
What we're doing here today is I got a request from the cassava production processing plants, the people that are managing it, that we need to give them or extend our support for them to complete 2 lines that will give them a standard that they can start supplying Nestle and a lot of other distributors who needs the product from this plant. And I felt it would be proper for me to see what we have already invested, what is the stage